Hey, beautiful people, welcome to India Reforms, Judicial Reforms. Have you ever thought when a judge passes a judgment against joint custody and gives the custody to one of the parents and visitation rights to the other, say once a month or once in 15 days or once in a week, or maybe deprive the other parent of child custody, and thereafter over a period of 3, 4, 5, 6 months, the child slowly and gradually goes into depression or picks up bad habits or start taking drugs and may indulge in sadistic activities. Will the judiciary take the responsibility for where the child is today? If the child has been pushed to a wall and is facing anxiety, depression, academic issues, is becoming introvert, will the judges and judiciary take the blame for that? The judges, in reply to this, can very easily say, well, if you think you were not okay with our order, you could have gone to the other court. And I don't disagree with them. Of course, I can go to the next level. However, the time that will lapse from taking this order to moving an application and being heard and another order coming in my favor, a parent's favor, may take 2 years. Now the child has been in this mode of anxiety, depression, stress, academic issues for 2 years, and you would all understand the child's health and mental issues are going to deteriorate. So, who takes the responsibility for that? Will the lawyers, will the judges and the judiciary of this country take responsibility for not going with joint custody and giving custody to one parent and depriving the other parent and depriving the child the affection, especially of the parent? In India, it's mostly fathers. The love, care, confidence, encouragement which a father gives or may give. Is it a joke that we are giving all authorities to the judiciary and judges, but there is no responsibility fixed on them? Should such High Court, Supreme Court and lower court judges, should they not be taken to task when they are completely destroying the family? Of course, there is a difference between the parents which brings them to a court. I'm not denying that. And it has its own impact. However, instead of mending things, instead of resurrecting things, if the courts of this country are going to make things worse for a child, what happens in that case? Who is responsible? Again, I'm asking this question because this is a very serious question. Joint custody the courts don't give. They seldom give. Even if they would give, it would take them 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, 4 years. And the child suffers, continues to suffer, academically keeps going down. The family suffer. And these judges, every day they will come, they will pass another childish order, another order which makes no sense, no head or tail, and will go off to their homes and think they have done a wonderful job. Who slapped these judges? That's the main question. Is the government of India serious in ensuring that the sanctity of a child's freedom is assured? Is the government of India, because I don't expect anything from judiciary because they are in a different world. वो दूसरी दुनिया में है. वो तो दुनिया में है कि भैया ऊपर वाला भी उतना अच्छा काम नहीं कर सकता जो अच्छा काम हम कर रहे हैं. चाहे 3.5 करोड़ से ज्यादा केसेस पेंडिंग है, चाहे जुडिशरी एक अपने आप में 3 लाख से ऊपर का स्कैम है, पर इन जजेस से आप पूछोगे ये तो कहेंगे भैया ऊपर वाला भी नहीं कर सकता जो हम कर रहे हैं, इनमें इतनी बेशर्मी है। पर सवाल ये है, शुड द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया नॉट थिंक what the children are going through, how their mental, physical health is deteriorating, how love and affection is taken away from them slowly and gradually? Will they become an asset to this country? Is government of India helping these children who are deprived of a parent's love and affection become an asset to this country? Or you have already given them a dose of what every person as an adult has to go through? So my request again is to Mr. Modi, to the law ministry. I don't request judiciary because it's a useless body. To Smriti Irani, people like Smriti Irani, please wake up your conscience, shake your conscience and see what you're doing to the children of this country. Ensure the law on child custody, shared parenting comes, and every judge is bound to give that unless and until it's an extreme situation which should not arise in more than 0.5% of the cases. If you like this video, kindly like and share it. Thank you so much.